Segment 1, Artificial Intelligence. Host, our first game changer is the relentless rise of artificial intelligence. From cutting-edge algorithms to advanced machine learning, AI is transforming industries. Companies investing in AI are experiencing unprecedented growth, and this trend is undoubtedly steering us towards the coveted $4,000 milestone. Segment 2, Renewable Energy. Host, next up, we have the unstoppable momentum of renewable energy. With a global push towards sustainability, clean energy solutions are not just a necessity but a lucrative investment. From solar power to wind energy, these innovations are reshaping the energy landscape and propelling us towards a brighter, greener future. Segment 3, Blockchain and Cryptocurrency. Host, now, let's talk about the blockchain revolution. Cryptocurrencies are disrupting traditional finance, and blockchain technology is becoming the backbone of secure and transparent transactions. The potential for growth in this space is astronomical, and it's a key player in our journey to $4,000. Segment 4, Biotechnology Breakthroughs. Host, in the realm of healthcare, biotechnology breakthroughs are taking center stage. From gene editing to personalized medicine, the healthcare industry is on the brink of transformative change. Investors eyeing the health sector are in for a ride towards unprecedented valuation heights. Segment 5, Space Exploration. Host, buckle up for our next frontier, literally, space exploration. With private companies venturing beyond our atmosphere, the space industry is poised for astronomical growth. From satellite technology to interplanetary endeavors, investing in space might just be your ticket to reaching new financial heights. Segment 6, 5G Technology. Host, fasten your seatbelts as we zoom into the world of 5G technology. The fifth generation of wireless technology is not just about faster internet, it's a game changer for industries like IoT, autonomous vehicles, and healthcare. Those riding the 5G wave could witness a surge in their portfolios. Segment 7, E-commerce Evolution. Host, shifting gears to the digital marketplace, e-commerce is evolving at an unprecedented rate. With the rise of online shopping, innovative payment solutions, and personalized shopping experiences, companies in this space are redefining commerce. Jump on board or risk missing out on the future of retail. Segment 8, Quantum Computing. Host, prepare for a quantum leap. Quantum computing is unlocking new possibilities in computation power. As this technology matures, it's expected to revolutionize industries ranging from finance to drug discovery. The race for quantum supremacy could be your pathway to substantial financial gains. Segment 9, Augmented Reality and Virtual Reality. Host, step into the realm of augmented and virtual reality, where the boundaries between the digital and physical worlds blur. AR and VR are transforming industries like gaming, education, and healthcare. Investors embracing this immersive wave might find themselves riding the tide to financial success. Segment 10, Cybersecurity Renaissance. Host, in an age of increasing digital connectivity, cybersecurity takes center stage. With rising cyber threats, companies investing in robust cybersecurity solutions are on the front lines. This sector is not just about protecting data, it's safeguarding investments and could be a linchpin on our journey to $4,000. Segment 11, Smart Cities Revolution. Host, picture this, smart cities where technology optimizes urban living. From intelligent infrastructure to sustainable energy, the smart city revolution is gaining momentum. Investors who position themselves at the intersection of technology and urban development may find the jackpot in their portfolios. Segment 12, Electric and Autonomous Vehicles. Host, shift gears as we explore the electrifying world of electric and autonomous vehicles. With the automotive industry undergoing a radical transformation, companies spearheading electric mobility and autonomy are reshaping the future of transportation. Buckle up, because the ride to $4,000 might just be electric. Segment 13, 3D Printing Revolution. Host, witness, the third dimension, comes to life with the 3D printing revolution. From customized manufacturing to medical breakthroughs, 3D printing is rewriting the rules of production. Investors tapping into this innovative sector could find themselves at the forefront of a financial renaissance. Segment 14, Quantum Biology, host, zooming into the microscopic world, quantum biology is unraveling the mysteries of life at the quantum level. This intersection of quantum mechanics and biology has the potential to revolutionize medicine and agriculture. Investors exploring the quantum frontier might discover a whole new dimension of financial opportunities. Segment 15, Edge Computing, host, move over cloud computing, it's time for edge computing to take the spotlight. With the increasing demand for real-time processing and data efficiency, edge computing is becoming a game-changer. Investors capitalizing on this decentralized approach could find themselves on the fast track to $4,000. Segment 16, Neurotechnology, host, brace yourselves for the mind-bending world of neurotechnology. From brain-computer interfaces to neuroenhancement, this field is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Investors diving into neurotech might be on the cusp of unlocking unprecedented financial opportunities. Segment 17, The Metaverse Revolution, host, step into the virtual frontier with the Metaverse Revolution. From virtual reality to blockchain-based digital ecosystems, the metaverse is reshaping how we interact and do business. Investors navigating this digital realm might find themselves on the path to unparalleled financial gains. Segment 18, Sustainable Investing, host, green is the new gold. Sustainable investing is no longer just a trend, it's a financial imperative. Companies prioritizing environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors are gaining traction. Investors aligning their portfolios with sustainability could witness both ecological and financial growth. Segment 19, Advanced Robotics, host, meet the mechanical workforce of the future, advanced robotics. From automation in manufacturing to AI-driven robots in healthcare, this sector is redefining industries. Investors embracing the robotic revolution might see their portfolios flourish in this era of technological innovation. Segment 20, Personalized Medicine, host, medicine tailored to you. Personalized medicine is revolutionizing healthcare by considering individual genetics and lifestyle. Companies at the forefront of this medical revolution could be the prescription for investors seeking substantial financial returns. Segment 21, Nanotechnology, host, shrink down to the nanoscale, where big things are happening. Nanotechnology is unlocking new frontiers in medicine, materials, and beyond. Investors embracing the tiny yet mighty realm of nanotech might discover a wealth of opportunities on the path to $4,000. Segment 22, Cognitive Computing, host, enter the era of cognitive computing, where machines simulate human thought processes. From natural language processing to problem-solving algorithms, this technology is reshaping industries. Investors diving into the world of cognitive computing could witness their portfolios ascend to new heights. Segment 23, Biohacking and Longevity, host, crack the code of life with biohacking and longevity innovations. From genetic editing to longevity research, this field is pushing the boundaries of what it means to age. Investors immersing themselves in the pursuit of a longer, healthier life might find their portfolios similarly rejuvenated. Segment 24, Edge of the Internet of Things, IoT, host, explore the edge of the Internet of Things, IoT, where devices communicate seamlessly. From smart homes to industrial applications, the IoT landscape is expanding. Investors positioning themselves at the edge of this digital frontier might witness their investments skyrocket.